Hello everyone, this is Doug Bolduc from Automotive News, and today we are in Munich, and my guest is BMW's Michael Nikolaitis, and he is going to introduce us to the newest member of the staff here, Aeon, the newest robot who's going to be part of a pilot program here at BMW, as these folks here are bringing physical AI into the workplace. Michael, thanks so much for being here. Tell us a little bit about this robot and what it means at BMW.
Yeah, as I told you today, physical AI at BMW is not a vision, it's already reality. We had a very successful pilot in our US plant in Spartanburg with a humanoid of Figure AI, who built more than 30,000 BMW X3s already in two-shift model. And today we present Aeon. He will work in our plant in Leipzig and doing first tasks fully integrated in our production set.
Unbelievable, and the hand movements from Aeon makes him very unique because he's going to be doing some complicated jobs for you, right?
I think there's a lot of different application you might think of. The hands are the ultimate use case, but you can also think about giving him a tool like a scanner, which is actually what he's gonna do in the first pilot.
Okay, fantastic. And I noticed that he has wheels for feet. Is that because it makes it easier to maneuver and also go long distances? What's the reason for the wheels?
The reason for the wheel is you can think about a different variety how these robots moves. There are ones which actually walk like Figure in the United States, or you have on a company floor, which is on a production floor, which is flat. You have the wheels, so it can move quickly and without having to walk.
Okay, and this for you is just the beginning, right? We are going to see robots become a real regular part of the production process going forward.
As I told you, these are pilots where we try to figure out what is the potential and what are the use cases. If I think about physical AI today, I look back 50 years when we integrated the first robots to our body shop, and I think we're in the same stage. So let's see, and I'm very excited to see what the future will bring.
And how are you going to sort of bridge that gap to make the people that are already working in the factories comfortable with this? How long does it usually take them to be able to be working side by side with a robot?
We had a very nice experience in Spartanburg.
Okay.
First of all, people were curious. Some might have been afraid, but most of them were curious. And then later on, they were really enthusiastic and worked with this robot very, very quick.
Okay, fantastic. Well, we're looking forward to seeing how BMW continues its journey in the physical AI world, and we'll just watch how this robot develops and the pilots and how we move forward. Thanks so much for joining us. This is Doug Bolduc from Automotive News. We'll see you again soon.